Me been walking by a long broken road, heavy burden, long soul below me. Smoke now bottle, been stabbed long hand, but Jesus called, my child, come back to me. Me lose some darkness, me lose some shame. Olpela life, me no like him again. Now holy word, I light him way. Me following Jesus every day. Me lose some old ways far behind. Your mercy, Lord, I clear in mind. Through mountain high and valley low, where you lead me, Lord, me go. When temptation calls my name, me down long knees and I pray again. One step, one prayer, one day at a time. Jesus, keep this heart of mine. No more whiskey, no more smoke. You broke him every heavy yoke. Love you in him, anger and pride. Jesus, you are close by my side. Some pale day me weak, now fall, but still I hear your gentle call. Me open in Bible, me pray once more, and follow you through every door. Me lose some old ways far behind. Your mercy, Lord, I clear in mind. Through mountain high and valley low, where you lead me, Lord, me go. One step, one prayer, one day at a time. Holy word, belong you, my guide and light. Country angel, guard me through the night. Jesus, lead me home in your light.